Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can switch TikTok into the dark mode. So in here, I've already opened my TikTok apps, and if I go to my profile, as you guys can see here, the theme or the mode is currently on a light, and I want to switch it into dark mode. So what you need to do if you want to do the same is just go through your profile and click on the three lines icon at the top right corner. Go to the settings and privacy, scroll down, and here you'll find the display option. Okay, so you can see the current appearance or theme is light, and I want to switch it into dark. So just click on dark in here. So this is the preview, and if I go back to my profile, you can see now my profile has uh, switched into a dark mode. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.